Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. I um, I said in that other video in part one that this might be another way to do it. So I'm going to set my nudge factor on 0.75 because if you realize to nudge at an angle is harder, so let's make a duplicate of that. And let's go ahead and take away these extra lines. And that's what we want. So now we can take away that box and that box. We'll group this box together, Control G, Control D, and alternate C to have it rotate from the center and rotate it 120 degrees. And then Control D. And you've got the 4 boxes, or you've got the 3 boxes that you could fill in. You still got to add lines like we did in part one to finish it off. But that's a lot easier than trying to nudge these up at an angle. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.